It's time to learn! Welcome to Haika Kids! Let's have fun!
It's body wash time, la la la. Let's get clean today.
Turn the water on, splash, splash, splash. Bath time, fun to play.
Squish the wash, foam it up, bubble soft and white.
Wash my arms and wash my hands, scrub them left and right. Wash my tummy, wash my legs, scrub-a-dub-dub fun. Rinse it off, sparkle clean and bright. Fresh and clean from head to toe, all ready for bed.
Bye-bye germs, run away, clean is number one.
Towel dry, cozy, warm, feels so soft and nice. Body wash time is done today. Good night, sleepyhead.
That was fun! Like, share, and subscribe! Ring that bell! See you soon! Bye!